if the letter following it is a vowel. So look at the second case, that is B. That is where we are explaining that in this case, if we had a double bond, then it would have been correct for us, just the way we have been having a consistency naming of saying in. That is the suffix for writing names for alkenes. There has to be an E in between here. But in this case, that E has been dropped if the letter that is following it is a vowel, this one. And in the first case, an A has been added to the prefix that is given to designate the two double bonds, that is the die, which is going to eliminate the possibility of two consonants being consecutive. Of course, this will have been T and D. So to eliminate that possibility of them being together, they have included the word, the letter A, and that one gives the name buta-1,3-diene. So if that was not the case, then we will have had but-1,3-diene. And the second case, we could have had 3-pent, 3-in, 1-ein. So for that case, these rules catered for the avoiding of the two consonants following one another consecutively, and for the second one, the E is dropped so that we can have this particular vowel of E removed to have the name pent-1,4-ein. We shall have more examples of this so that we can be able to understand those particular rules for especially naming of the compounds that consist of both the double and the triple bonds, that is for alkenes and alkynes. So those ones were just for example. We're just giving an example of the order in which we are going to follow in maybe naming of these particular compounds in case we come across them, as we are going to deal with other compounds.